going to start by downloading our SCAD file. To do that, we'll go to Thingiverse and download the keyguard SCAD file from Switch. Ken has a couple different file types for us. He has STL files that are ready for you to slice and print, SCAD files that you can customize for your student, and a PDF of the customization worksheet so you can keep all your measurements in one place. We're going to start by measuring the specific things on the screen that we need to use to make our customizations. We measure in millimeters, and I like to use a transparent ruler so I can see through to the screen while I'm measuring. Now that we have our measurements, we're going to open our SCAD file and use the customizer on the right of Open SCAD to add all of the measurements we just took. This allows us to create a customized file for our students. Once we've added all our customizations, we're going to go ahead and render the file. When it's rendered, you'll see it turn yellow, and now you're ready to export it as an STL. You're just going to save it to your desktop, and now you're ready to slice. We're going to open up our slicer, and we're going to go ahead and import our STL file. We can move the print around on the print bed if needed, but standard size iPad keyguards typically take up most of the bed space. On the right, we have the different settings: print quality, filament material, supports for raised pieces, and infill percentage. I usually use 15% infill and feel that that works well. Once we're ready, we slice, and then it's going to tell us exactly how many layers it will take and how long that print will take. Once we have those layers there, we're able to adjust the print, move it around, and we can also move through the layers in case we need to do any customization at a specific layer height. Once we're ready, we can export our G-code to get ready to print. Now we're ready to start our print. I'm going to load my file into my printer using an SD card on the side. Before printing, I'm going to spray my print bed with isopropyl alcohol to make sure there aren't any oils from my hands on the bed. This helps ensure that the print adheres to the print bed. Now I'll scroll through the files to find the one I want to print. All the information needed to print, like the extruder and print bed temperatures, the number of layers, and the speed, is embedded in the file. Now my printer will go ahead and start printing. This print took about 4.5 hours, and now we have our customized WordPower 60 basic vocabulary keyguard.